Want to join my free gift card giveaway? All you need to do is to subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on notifications, and finally share this video with your friends. Welcome back to the Diamond Show, and today I'm going to be making slime that you can make in school when you're bored. And after, I'm going to show you my school supplies. So the only ingredients that you need are two things. Just two things. That's crazy and mind-blowing. So all you need to do is grab your highlighters and take the cap off with your school scissors and the ink, and take out the ink, and the ink should look like this. The second ingredient that you need is clear glue. If you use white glue, it won't work. First, grab your glue and put it in. Now get your highlighter and squeeze it out. Now switch it around and just squeeze the other side. I've never even seen a highlighter ink like this. I've never done this. Oh, my hands are dirty. Now just do the same thing with this one. Okay, now I put in the highlighter ink, but I swear I didn't even put anything else, I swear. Now start mixing. Well, this actually kind of works like contact solution. Okay, if you add more glue, it takes longer. And if you feel it, you can feel it turn, you know it's gonna turn into slime. Can you see that coming off from my hand? Okay, so my brother is gonna add more highlighter because I think I added way too much glue. Looks like blood. Whoa. Turning into orange. Whoa! Look! It's actually turning into highlighter slime. Whoa! Woo! There. Oh my God. Look! Look at this! Whoa! Wait, let me feel it. Whoa. If you want it to be less sticky, just add more highlighter ink. Now let's get on to my school supply. The first thing I got for school is really cool. But first, lights off. Look at these shoes though. Look at them. Oh. Get that out of here. Ooh, look at these shoes. They're Skechers. Ooh, they look cool. The next thing I got is a lot of paper. When I mean a lot, I mean a lot. Next I got is a notebook. And the third thing I got is a folder. I always wanted a black folder. Okay, put that right there and sit right there. I got a gray folder. A green folder. Yeah, this is the one. Oh wait, this one's a binder, I think. And some more paper. And a notebook. Yeah, this notebook. Yeah, I like the front, the picture. I like the picture look. Let me take this off. Look. And the other one I really like too. Okay, just. Okay, and I still have more stuff. Okay. A long backpack. I have a pencil holder. I think that's what it's called. Okay, so it has bags in it. The bags, I opened that one, did I? Okay. So this one you put it on there. Another one. Put it right there. And I have some more stuff. Glue. What? Big. And some pens. What? And some Sharpie markers. Pencils. I have a lot of stuff. Glue sticks. More Sharpie, I don't know. And Expo markers. I like the blue one. And some more pens. And some colored pencils. Look at that stuff though. Some more glue sticks. Crayons. Is this the last thing? Yeah. Finally, erasers. Okay, that was all for today's video. Comment when you start school, because I start tomorrow, Tuesday. And check out my backpack. Looks cool, right? Comment in the comment section. It looks cool. And also, comment when you want me to upload the videos. During lunch, after school, or with time. And bye, guys!